All right. Where is that Deborah? Anybody see Deborah? No?
Yes, I saw her.
You saw her?
I saw her when I was coming in.
Oh.
Just laying down and watching something.
Looking around, I don't know. Deborah?
You've been eating snacks.
Deborah, are you back there? No room back
I
there
see
for
you.
Deborah.
I see you.
Deborah! Deborah!
Deborah!
That girl is
Deborah!
always sleeping. I bet she's in the box with the lid down.
That could be.
Deborah!
Get in there.
I wondered who the hero was yesterday in class, and she was all fired up to let the cat out of the bag.
It was Abel! It was Abel! It was Abel!
Oh, Levi!
It was Abel!
Deborah!
Hey, what are you going on about? Who's Abel? Who's Abel?
Abel is the hero the kids learned about in class yesterday. You old people are always forgetting things. Isn't that what you wanted me for, Mr. Joel? Last night, the kids learned about creation and that you are all the great.
Is your record stuck?
No.
Now, just a minute. A record. That is a big round piece of plastic, a little tiny hole in the middle, and they would put it on a machine and it would go round and round and round, and someone would take a needle. Believe it or not, really, I'm serious. They'd put a needle on that record and music would come. And it would sound.
I think they get the point, Mr. Joel.
Pardon me?
I think they get the point.
Okay, all right.
Thank you. I was just saying,
Yeah, what was that?
you are all the descendants of Adam and Eve. That's where sin started, and that you're all born sinners.
Well, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Well, how do you know that?
Should I tell him?
Yeah.
Well, since you asked, I'm going to tell you. The Bible, God's Word, says that all have sinned and fall short of the glory of God. That explains why Cain disobeyed God when he did not bring what God asked for. Abel obeyed by bringing a perfect lamb as God required. Cain became so jealous and angry that he killed his brother.
Wow. So that shows that Abel was faithful and God put his name in the Faith Hall of Fame, as we see in the book of Hebrews.
Yep, you're right. For once, when we disobey, we always suffer the consequences. That's what happens when we sin. We disobey what God has told us to do. Hey, Joel.
Yeah.
Tonight the kids are going to learn about another hero mentioned in Hebrews. Now, can I tell the kids, or are you going to hush me up?
Nope. I don't want you to tell the kids. That ruins everything. I'll tell you what. Say, ah. Say, ah.